my channel, welcome. My name is Justine Lemmer. I am a social media consultant and a content creator. Here on YouTube, I am sharing tips and tricks about content creation and social media platforms. In this video, I wanted to share with you the 4 apps you need to purchase to create amazing Instagram posts and Instagram stories. So if you wonder how to make cute Instagram story and does it worth the money you're going to spend on the App Store, keep watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, that way you won't miss any future Edit With Me video. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. App number 1, N9 Pixelo. If you are following me on Instagram, you know that I love animated picture. I am actually make most of my posts with N9 Pixelo. I don't know if you are familiar with Plotaverse, but this is basically the same thing. I used to use Plotaverse, but I don't think the app was really easy to use, so I switched to Pixelo that I really like. It's about $19.99 a year. With Pixelo, you are able to add some elements to your pictures, make your sky move, or like add some overlays to it. App number 2, Mojo Pro. I need to talk to you about Mojo Pro, guys, because this is the app for your Instagram stories. Mojo Pro is a video app. You can use most of the feature for free, but if I was you, I'll buy the Pro version. It's about $40 a year. This is a subscription. So basically what you do with Mojo app is find one of their templates that you really like. There is tons of options, minimal, fashion, photography, whatever you feel like using. So you take one, you add one of your picture that I create with Pixelo, for example, and after you make it your own, you can change the font, the style, the size, the color. You can even change the animation. This is great for your Instagram stories. Let's say love is amazing, because it is, right? So put this, and you can do heaven and night, and you can see how it's gonna look before posting it, and once you're done, you save it and you add it to your story. Isn't it cool? I love this app. For $40 a year, it's totally worth it. At number 3, Unfold. A lot of people already know about Unfold. Unfold makes your story look way better. Let's go on the app, right? It's like Mojo Pro, but it just doesn't move. From there you can choose any of their templates. They have so many, and you can add your pictures, whatever you feel like. We're gonna use this and that, sounds good. And you can change the background, upload it to your device, so to Instagram or even Snapchat and Facebook. That's pretty awesome. Unfold is about $20 a year. This is a subscription, so next year I will have to pay another $20, but I decided to stop with Unfold. I know, because I find something better. Well, actually, I didn't find something better. I already had this app before. It's called Storylux. I've talked about it on my Instagram story too. I actually made a poll, Team Unfold and Team Storylux, and had tons of people telling me they're Team Storylux too. So I am about to switch. I actually already buy Storylux subscription, which is about $2.99 a month. So it's about $35 a year. I will not renew my Unfold subscription next year, because I like Storylux way better. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. First of all, in Storylux, there is a lot of more option, and the thing that I really like is the fact that you can brand every stories that you're making. For example, I'm going to take this perfect picture of me with those Mickey cheeks. On this picture, you can see I branded. I put JustineLemmer.com and Justine Lemmer. So if you go on branding here, you can actually write whatever you want. And here on the top corner left, you can see edit picture that is just branded. This is really cool, and there is tons of options, tons of templates. The thing that I like about Storylux is the fact that you can change the background of your template with your own pictures. That makes a huge difference for me. And you can choose different filters and make it your own. That's amazing. So definitely will switch. Not saying that I don't like Unfold. I'm saying that I am more free with Storylux. I'm more free to do the thing that I really want to do than with Unfold. So unless Unfold update their app, Storylux has my heart. Last but not least, app number 5. I'm going to talk about Clipomatic. I don't know if you ever heard of this app, but this is a life-changing app for your Instagram stories. Why? Because thanks to this app, you're going to be able to add subtitles to your stories. This is a one-time purchase app. It's about $5. $5 for life. You own it. that's yours. Go on the App Store and buy it. Let me show you how Clipomatic works. So what I have to do is going on the app, choose whatever bubble I want to use, usually it's this one, and I start talking to the camera. It tells you press rec and speak. So this is what we're gonna do. Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. Here, you can review it. Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. It says, hi guys, I hope everyone's doing well today. That's funny. Well, great. That way I can actually show you how to change it. So this is not what I said, right? Usually this app is pretty good. So let's try again, but you can change it. Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. Here you go. Now it says, hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. Perfect. Well, if I was wrong, as I was later, you can actually change whatever you were saying if the app didn't understand you really well. Next, you're gonna save it and you're going to add it to your story. Why do I have Clipomatic so much and what I think you should add it to? The answer is simple. Most of the people don't have their volume on, so they won't hear what you're saying. If you add some subtitle to your story, they will stay on it and they will read. So if you don't have Clipomatic on your phone yet, download it. It will make people stay on your stories longer. If you made it through this entire video, thank you so much for watching. We just came through 4 apps you need to purchase to make your Instagram story better. Enlight, Mojo Pro, Unfold, and Clipomatic. Well, Unfold/Storylux because I am switching. You are switching. Let me know in the comment section what app you are about to get after watching this video. Thank you very much again for watching and I will see you next time. I have been talking about it in one of my So if you ever wonder how those people are creating stories that are not looking like yours, this is no good. Story.